Hello, my name is Bill and welcome to Mind Your Crypto. Today we have FET daily update. We are going to make a technical analysis and the price prediction, non-biased of course. But before we begin, join the monthly subscription. We opened up 10 more spots due to the high demand, and you will get an automated and a manual system with buying and selling opportunities to know exactly when to buy and to know exactly when to sell. Also, it doesn't stop there. You will get market updates, personal guidance, educational videos to become expert in the technical analysis, and many more benefits. I have the link in the description down below. Buy me a coffee/mindyourcrypto. You can also join the Telegram group chat there. I have the link in the description down below. Hit the like button, subscribe if you like the content. Let's dive in quickly into the technical analysis and price prediction. Right now you can see the 99 cents, 93, 86 to 87 cents, the 0.618 Fibonacci retracement after we draw it from this bottom to this top right here. You can see we have some major price targets as well, the 1.33, 1.41 Tether USD. Okay, and so we are now at the 93. We want to see whether we can go upwards or not. The volume here is pretty high on FET. You can see over the last few hours after the Bitcoin crash as well, we had huge selling pressure and then immediately buying pressure. Then in the next few hours we even went into the 1.20 around there Tether USD. Now we are back to almost 95 cents. Okay, and we want to see eventually if there is actually a good buying opportunity. Okay, so let's go to the MACD. The MACD looks incredible there, and you can see where we keep making higher lows and higher highs, right? So definitely now we might be finding a bearish cross right here, but it's not the end of the world. Even if we find a bearish cross between the blue line and the signal line, it doesn't stop there. Okay, it will be a healthy correction, but we want to see where are the good entry targets for the FET. Okay, so let's go right now to the risk metrics, and you can see that we had a very high risk on the RSI. We were above the 70 and now we are going down. Same here for the commodity channel index, same here for the stochastic RSI. Okay, and you can see that we had a very high on the risk metrics, but in overall, of course, the Bitcoin crash didn't help so much onto going further upwards quicker. But anyway, we kept our cool, we kept our momentum for FET, and now we are going upwards. Okay, so right now everything is looking good. The 20-day EMA is still above the 50-day EMA, and we didn't have a bearish cross, so it shows some strength right there. We want to maintain a pattern like this for the RSI, a bullish pattern where we will be having higher lows and higher highs, like a wave. You can see like a wave. Okay, we do not want the RSI to go below the 30, of course, and this will help us into going into the next price targets. Let's go a little bit to the daily frame. Let's open up the SSL HYBRID in case we had a selling opportunity. Not yet. We had a buying opportunity here on the 6th September, and now we do not hold a selling opportunity, even though we had a huge sell pressure today. Okay, you can see the huge sell pressure of FET from the 1.20 into the 95. We haven't closed the day yet, so we do not know exactly where this will go. We will look at the lower frame, so we make an assumption on the daily frame as well. Okay, so you can see that the RSI is above the 70 right now. Very bullish pattern right there. Keep going, and of course the cut right now is smiling. You can see that the cut is smiling right here, and that we are going even higher. We do not have, of course, any bearish RSI divergence or so. Same for the commodity channel index, same for the stochastic RSI, but they are all in an overbought situation. That's what I want you to be careful about. Okay, we have an extreme overbought situation, and if Bitcoin crashes down more, it will drag down many other altcoins, including FET. Okay, so it holds pretty good for now, but always remember that now we should be taking the Bitcoin. Okay, to have an unbiased technical analysis and price prediction, we should not ignore the Bitcoin market. Okay, so right now let's go to see how FET is doing against Bitcoin. Okay, it is underperforming a little bit for now. All right, it is underperforming a little bit for now. I can have a Fibonacci retracement, so we are going down to this support level right here. Let's see the 0.40 2059. As you can see, we have one more 0.40 1917. Okay, so we might be going there. Very high risk on the 4-hour frame. Now we do not hold any risk, neither for the commodity channel index, neither for the stochastic RSI, but we can keep going down a little bit more. Okay, nothing important there for FET against Bitcoin chart, and you can see that we are going upwards as well. The next price target, in case we go above, is the 0.402821. Okay, next price target is this around 2130. This one right here. The next one is the 0.4030, and so on and so on. On the daily frame, we have a very high risk. Looks identical to the USDT, but only the stochastic RSI is a little bit not in an extreme overbought situation, so we can go a little bit more. What we hope for is not to have a shooting star candlestick pattern on the daily frame. We do not want to have huge sell pressure in the body of the candlestick covers a lot the lower shadow. Okay, we do not want the body of the candlestick to cover the lower shadow part of the candlestick on the daily frame. This here is a whole day of price action. That's why we call it daily frame. Okay, each candlestick represents 1 day of price action. Let's go to FET now in the USDT chart. You can see that drawing the gun fan tool and the gun box from this bottom we formed back on 6 September till this top. So for the short term, you can see we are not even close to the 1.8. So we have nothing bearish for the time being, and you can see that we have some support levels right here, the 99.93 and of course the 86. Even if we go down to 86.6 around there, we are not bearish. Okay, can we go down there? Yes, we might be going down there due to the fact that Bitcoin hasn't established yet its way above, okay, upwards. So in any day we might be going further down into the 44,000 Tether USD again. And if we go there, then for some altcoins, including, of course, the FET, it might go down to 86 cents. So a good buying entry for me, it would be around this area for FET. Okay, 86, 77 to 86, around there. Let's see if the risk metrics can go there into an oversold situation. I believe if we go there, the stochastic RSI will be in an oversold situation because we are on an impulsive wave, as you can see for FET USDT chart, and on the 4-hour frame it's looking good. So I would say between 77 and 86 it is a very good buying opportunity. Even if it goes a little bit down the short term, on the mid long term it will be very crazy and good buying opportunity if we go there. Okay, so around this area 77 to 86, great buying opportunity, great re-entry, and we need to wait a little bit right now to see how fast can we go down, if we can go down a little bit furthermore. For now, FET is looking good against Bitcoin and of course against USDT as well, but at the meantime we have Bitcoin struggling a little bit due to the fact that we went on the daily frame on 11% correction. 11% correction in just 1 day for Bitcoin, it is enough to destroy some altcoins. It destroyed ADA, it destroyed Matic, it destroyed every altcoin. Some altcoins were a little bit stable, like Solana, for example, or FET, or even Algorand, that they went upwards all the way. Okay, but at the same time, we need to be careful. Okay, so for now, what is the best thing to do? Wait a little bit till we see if we can close beyond the 93. Then if we close beyond the 93, we are going to the 86.68, around there, 86 to 87. Okay, and this should be by the time we drop down from the 1.8. If we drop down and close down from the gun fund, the 1.8, then we are going down to the 1.4. Okay, and the 1.4 meets the 86.68 on 9 September, around there. So maybe tomorrow we should be dropping. If we are to drop, maybe we should be dropping more down. If we hold though the 1.8, then it is very possible not to drop to the 86.68 and keep our way upwards. Okay, I will do another update if you want me to. For now, it is the best and it is the safest to just not to trade, of course, right now. Okay, not a financial advice, and of course this is for educational purposes only, but I would recommend to do this. Okay, not to buy right now, wait a little bit till we clear things out. A great entry area is around 77.62 to 86.68 for FETs, and you can see that the reason we are a little bit uncertain right now is Bitcoin on the short term, because on the long term it is looking fantastic. Do not worry about this minor crash right there, but on the short term we should be looking forward to a little bit lower targets. Do not forget to join the monthly subscription. Thank you for watching. Have a fantastic day wherever you are. See you soon with many more videos. Bye.